Before I start, I wanna say I can't find the bounce unused tune animation. Shaking. Shift. Dance1. March. Okay. The ballroom is an unused cog building floor intended to be part of a field office level. After any field office minigame had been completed successfully, the tunes would then be escorted to the ballroom. Okay, so I'm putting information and links down in the description, so please don't miss it. Ball Spot HQ Golf Course is an unused golf course. Its intentions and usage are unknown. However, it can be inferred that this was used for testing golf course. The castle in the background is identical to the ones located in the maze areas of the cog golf courses. The sea monster is a scrapped fish species. Only concept art of the fish is known to exist. It looks so goofy. Carbon copy. Carbon copy is a cog move that was intended to be used by the flunky. Its attack accuracy is programmed to have 75% chance of hitting a tune. The flunky would sidestep from self-producing a carbon copy of himself so that there are two flunkies. Both of their attacks would be doubled in damage. Okay, so anything I don't mention, I have on my other channel, which is Alexis Sakamoto. So yeah. Anyway, chicken was an unreleased tune species. The species did not win the past two tune elections. The motto for the chicken in the election was "I'm picking chicken." The cogdominium was a cog building found within the Toontropolis Toontown 2.0 prototype. The cow was an unreleased tune species. The cow was featured in the first tune species election. The winner was the monkey, where it failed to succeed, gaining only 8% of the votes. Since then, the cow has been featured in the other two tune elections ever held and has never won. In the tune election, the motto for the cow was "Vote Now, Vote Cow," and was a speed chat phrase for tunes to purchase. An alternate slogan for cow was "Move over, ball spots, I'm the real big cheese baby," that appeared next to the cow's pin icon for voting. Oh yeah, I always forget that Clarabelle is a cow. I'm sorry. Okay, Ditto. Ditto is a cog move that was intended to be used by the Yes Men. Its attack accuracy is programmed to have 75% chance of hitting a tune. Okay, the Tune Talker was an early way to communicate with tunes. There were few phrases and no emotions, and its interface was different. It was replaced by speed chat. I think this one has, you are a jerk. Or you're a jerk. Yeah. 5 o'clock shadow is a scrapped card move intended to be used by the robber baron. Oh, some of these don't have, GIFs of them. So I can't show you the GIFs for obvious reasons. Okay, Flood the Market is a scrapped card move intended to be used by the Big Cheese and Robber Baron. Flunky Fountain. The Flunky Fountain was a decoration found within the Toontropolis Toontown 2.0 prototype. It looks like he's doing a handstand. The Gag Shop was a building found within the Toontropolis Toontown 2.0 prototype. The reason why I keep saying Toontropolis is because that's what the game is known to be called, along with downtown Toontown. So yeah. Gavel. The gavel is a scratch signature cog move that was intended to be used by the Big Wig. Its origins had been previously mistaken for being an unused toon gag. The Big Wig would pull out the gavel from behind his back. He would then hold it in front of him, and the punching glove would pop out, traveling towards the avatar, and then retracts. The gavel would then scale back down as the Big Wig retracts it. It was intended to hit a single tune. Yeah, I'm one of those people that mistaken it as a toon gag. Goat was an unreleased toon species. It did not win any of the toon elections. A cast member list shows that Lenny Manella, is the voice actor for the goat. Let's look up a picture. Okay. So we know what she looks like now. Hypno Owl. The Hypno Owl was a pop found within the Toontropolis Toontown 2.0 prototype. The Ice Cream Shop was a building found within the Toontropolis Toontown 2.0 prototype. Penny Pinch is a scrap signature cog move for the Penny Pincher. Reorg or reorganize is a cog move that was intended to be used by the downsizer. The attack was scrapped due to quality assurance issues during development. The attack was almost considered complete as it had code for a battle movie. You don't like the way I reorganize things. Perhaps a little reorganization is in order. You're not that bad, you just need to be reorganized. Do you like my organization skills? I just thought I'd give things a new look. You need to get organized. You're looking a little disorganized. Hold on while I reorganize your thoughts. I'll just wait for you to get a little organized. You don't mind if I just reorganize a bit? The Red Submarine was a building found within the Toontown 2.0 prototype. Rocket House. The Rocket House was a building found within the Toontropolis and Asteroid Chicken Toontown 2.0 prototype. Asteroid Chicken, I think is a mini game. Sand Trap is a scrapped cog move intended to be used by Mr. Hollywood. Okay, so I might delete this later if I can find the cog move. But Throwbook is a scrapped cog move that was intended to be used by the Big Wig. Throwbook was a cog move that was used by Big Wigs in the beta version of Toontown. It was removed before the game's public release. On the Big Wig trading card, the Big Wig is throwing a book at a Toon in a courtroom. It could be a reference to this attack. The lawyers in the Chief Justice Battle use a move similar to it. Okay, so obviously I'm not going to show the Chief Justice Battle because it's similar. But this update, I can't find it. The Toon Hall was a building found within the Toontropolis Toontown 2.0 prototype.